Liberty Mutual Home Insurance Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're looking to manage your home insurance on the go, the Liberty Mutual Home Insurance app promises convenience, but is it truly worth it? One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming insurance apps are confusing or limited. With Liberty Mutual's app, you can view your policy details, make payments and track claims all from your phone. The interface is clean, making it easy to locate important information quickly. Another advantage is claim management. The app allows you to start, monitor, and update claims in real time. You can upload photos, track progress, and communicate with adjusters directly, which can save a lot of time compared to traditional phone calls. Additionally, you get access to digital IT cards and policy documents anytime, which is especially handy during emergencies. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional crashes or slow loading times, particularly when handling multiple claims or large documents. Customer support through the app is somewhat limited for complex issues. You may still need to call or email. Also, advanced policy management features, like changing coverage details, often require desktop access. In conclusion, the Liberty Mutual Home Insurance app is a practical tool for policyholders who want convenience and real-time claim tracking. The surprising truth is that while it simplifies payments and claim updates, it doesn't fully replace traditional customer service for more complex insurance needs. For homeowners seeking a streamlined way to manage policies and claims, this app delivers accessibility, peace of mind, and quick updates. It's a reliable companion for everyday insurance tasks, but keep in mind that major changes may still require direct interaction with Liberty Mutual.